working for a living. Hey, I'm not complaining cause I really need the work, but hitting up my buddies got me feeling like a jerk. Car payment, insurance, alimony, rent, I get a check on Friday.